Engineered to match the exact specifications of Sinotruk's original hoses, this replacement part ensures compatibility and performance. The factory-tested design guarantees optimal flow rates and pressure tolerance, maintaining the efficiency of your truck's hydraulic components. The pre-crimped fittings eliminate the need for specialized tools, simplifying installation and reducing downtime. Built for the toughest environments, this HOWO hose resists oil, fuel, and harsh chemicals, making it ideal for industrial and construction settings. The flame-retardant outer layer provides additional safety, while the anti-static properties prevent electrostatic discharge. The hose's flexible design allows for easy routing in tight spaces, and the corrosion-resistant fittings ensure long-term durability. Upgrade your truck's hydraulic system with a hose that stands up to abuse.